Hey, my third grade writers. We are getting ready to work on our grammar and language practice for today, page 2.1.4. Now, this one we are just continuing to review common and proper nouns. Remember that a word that names a person, place, or thing is a noun. So a noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. Remember, common nouns name any old person, place, or thing, but proper nouns name a particular person, place, or thing. Remember that proper nouns, they do begin with capital letters, and they may have more than one word, like in the words New York, or Civil War, like we saw yesterday, or I'm looking down at number 1, Pacific Ocean. Remember that also people's titles like Doctor and Mr. and Mrs., all of those are proper nouns that need to be capitalized, and important words in the titles of books are also capitalized. So let's take a look at number 1. The directions for number 1 say write common or proper for each noun. Write common or proper for each underlined noun. When we went to California, we swam in the Pacific Ocean. So I see Pacific Ocean is underlined. I know that the Pacific Ocean is a thing. Do we know which ocean it is? You're right, we of course do. So that means it is what kind of noun? Exactly, it is proper. So I want you to do that same routine for numbers 2 and 3. Now let's take a look, and you're welcome to pause the video right here and complete 2 and 3, and then press play and we'll continue. So number 4, write the sentences correctly. Capitalize the appropriate underlined words. So now we're going to put into practice everything that we've learned about common and proper nouns. We're going to do number 4 together, and then I want you to do number 5 on your own. Last week, Miss Whittier took us to the Museum of Art. So I've got to change some of these words. So I'm going to correct this. So I know the beginning of the sentence has to start with a capital letter. I see right here that this is the title of a person, Miss Whittier. So I remember right here that it says people's titles are capitalized. So I'm going to capitalize the M in Miss and the W in Whittier. Took us to the Museum of Art. Now that's not just a plain old museum, is it? That tells us exactly which museum it is. So that is also a proper noun. So I'm going to capitalize Museum of Art. Again, if that had just said museum, we would have left it lowercase for a common noun. But since it says the Museum of Art, we want to capitalize it. I want you to pause the video and go ahead and do number 5 on your own. Do number 5 on your own. Okay, guys, I cannot wait to see what you came up with for number 5. I know you did an amazing job and that you applied everything that we have learned this week. I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.